For this activity, you're going to need 3 groups of similar objects. So my similar objects are these small group of beads, a handful of pennies, and then a little handful of brads. You can choose other small objects such as beans, rice, even noodles would work. So you just need a little bit of each. So 3 groups of small objects. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So the first thing is you need to mix it up as best as you can. All right, now that they're all nice and mixed up, the first task will be to sort them using only one hand. All right, you're gonna time yourself and see how long it takes. And ready, get set, go. Uh-oh. Try not to let any of them fall. Keep them on your tabletop or your flat surface. And make sure they're in separate groups, back the way it was in the very beginning. All right. So I have about, if I round it, it's about 25 seconds. So with that being said, I'm gonna write my score down. So for my first time, I have about 24.64 seconds. So now that I have a good start, I'm going to now sort it again, but this time I'm going to use one hand and no thumb. So once again, you're going to sort them the same way, but instead of using your whole hand, you're going to keep your thumb down. You can tape it down or just hold it down naturally. All right. And then do the same thing. We're going to time it, see how long it takes. So reset. Ready? So I'm going to hold my thumb down and only use my 4 fingers now. Set, go. Uh-oh. Oh my gracious. Ah. No. Oh no. Whew. Oh, that was really close. So now with no thumb, I hit about almost 31 seconds. So it's 30.93 seconds. So now looking at my score, I want you to look at the difference in the numbers. Even though they're very close, one took longer than the other and the other took shorter than the other. Looking at what we did differently between the 2 trials, why do you think that there was such a change? All right, so think about it, make a connection.